Suno version 5 has just been released, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a full song in Suno version 5. If you do not know what Suno is, it is a music production tool that uses AI to create entire tracks from scratch, including vocals. And as a music producer of over 15 years, the quality of audio that this tool creates is unbelievable. Let's have a look at how to make a full song in Suno. I'm going to show you on the desktop. You can follow along if you are on the mobile version of this app. I will be making a separate video showing the exact steps in the mobile version as well on your smartphone. But basically, all you need to do is sign up for a free account. You can go the paid if you want a lot more credits, but I first tested this out just on the free version. I will leave a link to suno.com in the description of this video, even though I am not affiliated with Suno. I'm just an avid user of the tool. So when you log in to your Suno account, under Home on the left-hand side, there is a little button here that says Create. And you can use it in two different modes. You can use it in Simple and in Custom. I like to use Simple for a really quick, fun way of making songs. I use this with my kids or at a friend's party, and we just have fun when we're mucking around. And then you can do a lot more in the Custom. So all you have to do in the Simple mode is give it a short prompt. I've said a soul funk tune featuring electric piano and a horn section with a female soulful vocalist. This will also create the vocals so you can tell it what you want the song to be about. Song is about my grey cat being naughty. You can just sort of do it all in one prompt. Now that you've got a very short prompt, all you're going to do is hit create down the bottom. You'll see here that it is now generating the song. It usually takes 5 or 10 seconds, and then you can listen to what you've created. So it's generated an entire track for us. It's even given it a title, The Mischief of Grey. If I click on this, it will play the song. Let's have a quick listen.
She's up to no good. Climbs on a counter like I knew she would. Tail flicking.
So there you go. That's really high quality, and it usually makes 2 versions every time you generate it. So you can now click on that next one to listen to that version. It will show you the lyrics on the right hand side that it has generated for you. And if you want, you can hit publish underneath the song here, which will just publish it on the Suno website so other users can have a listen to what you've created. And then it will also give you a shareable link, and you can share this with your friends to show them. Now you can also download the song as an MP3 or as a WAV file by hovering over the song, going to the 3 little dots, and then selecting download, and you can select MP3. You can actually even download it as a video. And if you've got the pro version that I do, you can get a wave audio, which is a high quality audio. Now, if you want a lot more control over the song, switch it from its simple mode to its custom mode. In here, we can upload audio. So if you've made a short demo, you can turn your demo into a full track. It doesn't matter what the quality of audio is. I've even used just voice memos from my phone to do this. You can create a persona, which is a repeatable style, and a singer, which will be, the same every time. So under the custom, it will allow you to type in the style, and it will also allow you to type in custom lyrics. So you can create, from lyrics that you've written, you can copy and paste them into this lyrics area. You can have it write the lyrics to a song for you by hitting this little wizard button here. And you can just say, write the full song. And so I'm just going to make like an old school hip hop song, and it's about a car that broke down. And then you have different lyric models. There's the classic or the Remy, which is the new one. The Remy I found makes more interesting lyrics than the old one. The old one is a little bit generic, but it'll write the song for you. And then you can select, either of these options. You can then go and edit them. I'm just going to go old school East Coast hip hop. And then in this mode, you also have advanced options. You can select a male or a female singer. You can dial up or down the weirdness for some unexpected results on the high end and more safe results down the low. And you can say how much this style will influence it. Now, there's also a wizard on the style here, so you can give it a bit more of a bigger prompt here, and it will take your short thing that you've written and it will create a more, detailed prompt. So let's generate an old school hip hop tune now about your car breaking down. Now, while that's generating, I will say under the styles, you cannot enter the name of any artist or the name of any band as a style. That goes against their copyright. So you just get it as close as you can to the style. And what I like to do is if I want it to make a song about a specific artist, so let's say you wanted it to be about, say, Green Day, then I'm just going to go to the Green Day Wikipedia page, and then it will list the genres of music that Green Day, are. So I can then select all of these genres, and then I can then just copy and paste them here. Rock, pop, punk, alternative rock, skate punk, power pop, and then it will create a song very similar to Green Day. That's just one little cool little hack. So let's quickly listen to the hip hop tune that it's made. That's made an old school hip hop beat, and then if you want some really advanced features, you just sort of hover over the song that you've created, and then on the three dots you can do remixes. If you have the ultimate version, you've got a studio kind of thing. I found that's not that great. You can even get the stems or the MIDI files to put it into a digital audio workstation. One cool trick that I like to do is if I really like a song that it's created but the lyrics aren't quite right, what I do is under this remix/edit, I create a cover of that song, and then I can actually type in different lyrics and change the lyrics, and it will create basically the same song but with different lyrics. So the great thing about the music that you create in Suno is that if you have a paid plan, you've got the commercial rights to use it, so you can use it as background music on YouTube videos and it won't trigger any copyright claims. So that's it for my video, my first look at Suno version 5. This is just a basic tutorial on how to make a full song. I will do some more advanced tutorials on Suno since I have really been loving using this tool lately. Make sure while you're here, subscribe to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.